Alright guys, fourth video here, last example for the day. We already did this in the homework last time, so this should be pretty simple for you guys, but just to go ahead and rehash things. How do you find the perimeter? How do you use the perimeter to solve for x in this particular problem? It says the perimeter of the rectangle below is 46 units and solve for x. So here's what we got to do. We got to realize, how do you find the perimeter of any shape? Well, I just need to add up the sides, right? So here I have 2x plus 3 on the bottom, if you can't read that. Has 2 tick marks. This thing has 2 tick marks. So drawing on my knowledge of geometry from my last class, that must be 2x plus 3 as well. Over here I have an x plus 2, so there's 1 tick mark over here. That means that must be x plus 2 as well. How do I find the perimeter? I need to add all 4 of these up. So if I add up all the x's, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 x's, plus all the non-x's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6x plus 10, if I add them all up, they should add up to 46. Now that's looking like something pretty simple, right? Subtract the 10 from both sides, so 6x is equal to 36. Divide out the 6, so x is equal to 6, and now we have our value. So 6 plus 2, this was a side length of 8. 2 times 6 is 12, plus 3 is 15. Side lengths of 8 and 15. That is an 8 by 15 rectangle, if they ever ask you for the dimensions. Okay, that's even going farther than the question was even asking. Hopefully that makes sense. That's the 4 videos you have for tomorrow. Come in with these notes done, and that way we can work on some problems dealing with fractions and word problems, and especially these related rate problems up here, doing those in class tomorrow.